Happy morning, guys. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the subject Computer Networks and Data Communication. In this, we are going to discuss the topic Analog Signal to Digital Signals. This is also one among the signal processing techniques. During the data transmissions, we are going to use two term, right, analog and signal. That conversion process, analog to digital signals, how what techniques we are going to embed, that we are going to discuss in this topic. Analog data, digital signals. To transmit the analog data using digital signals, we are in need to convert the analog data into digital form using the techniques like pulse code modulations. That is none other than PCM acronym we are going to specify. That pulse code modulations, we having three methodology. One is sampling, another one is quantization, and then encoding. That sampling capturing the data points at intervals while transmitting the data from sender to receiver. There we are going to use the encoding techniques, right? In that we are going to process these three techniques: sampling, quantization, and then encoding. The sampling is mainly we are going to focus on the data points. We are going to split the data intervals. We have that points and all capturing that transmit to the quantizations. In order to analyze the quality of data conversion, we are going to use quantization techniques. After assigning the discrete values to sample, after quality check, we are going to process for encoding. Converting the analog to digital conversion process will happen with the help of digitalized code conversion methodology. Encoding process we are going to apply here. So these three techniques are among the pulse code modulations. The signal pulse, that we have to analyze the main thing of signal pulse during the transmission of data from sender to receiver. That sampling technique, quantization, encoding, these methodologies are very important while analyzing, while converting the data from analog to digital conversions. That analog to digital signals, we have that advantage of using converting analog to digital signals, that is very easy to understand against the noise as well as the interference. During the transmissions, we face some kind of consequences, errors we will face while transmitting the data from sender to receiver. Like noisy as well as interference, that's similar. While transmitting, synchronization issues will happen. So that and all avoid by transmitting the analog data to digital signals. That is a major advantage of using analog to digital signals. That main disadvantage is bandwidth, that requires significant bandwidth in order to convert the analog to digital signals. So that bandwidth plays a major role while while converting the analog data to digital signals. The best example of using analog to digital signals, most probably in real life, we are using in a telephone network, commonly by using the pulse code modulation to digital voice signals. For that reason, we are using analog to digital signal conversion. So the best example of using that analog to digital telephone network plays a good example in real time manner. That analog to digital, let us recap that analog to digital process of conversion, that we are going to apply the technique called pulse code modulation. In that we are using three methodology, that is none other than, one is sampling. After choosing the sampling level of data, that we move on to the quantization, quality check. After quality check, in order to bring the efficacy of data transmission from analog to digital, we are using that quantization. Finally, after quantization, after check the quality of transmission, then we move on to the encoding methodology. So the encoding and decoding plays a vital role in signal processing techniques while transmitting the data from sender to receiver in smoother manner in order to maintain the efficacy, reliability of receiving the original data by receiver. We are embedding the techniques here, that is none other than pulse code modulation techniques we are using in order to convert analog data to digital signals. Hope you understand the conversion of analog to digital signal by using the techniques called pulse code modulation. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.